Do you think that 100 Newton can carry 1200 Newton? Oh, what amazing! With the equations that you can find in FE civil engineer exam. So let's start to see what will happen. So what is the tension T that must be applied to body A, roller A, to lift the 1200 Newton? Let's solve the equation. Let's use 100 Newton. So I'll put here 100 Newton. So ruler, let's no friction. So the other side should be 100 Newton. So here will be the result. So it will be the collection of 100 and 100. So it will be 200. And same equation we will repeat it. So here is 200 should be here also 200. So it will be the result 400. So the other side will be 400 to make stability for this roller. So the total will be here 800. So here this roller will be the other side 400 also. So here will be 400 and 400. So the result inversed here. So it will be 800. So here is 800 and 400. So it will collect 1200. So it's right to use 100 Newton to make stability for this white. Let's use other thing same like 300 and check. If I put here 300, so other side will be also 300, so here will be 600, so other side will be also 600, so the result will be 1200. Oh, here also should be 1200, and here will be also 1200, and here is 2400. So the result will be the collection of this and this, so it will get 3600. So it's more and more. So you can lift 1200 by only using 100 Newton. Let's have application on what we explained. Now we in a fitness gym. It's a comparison between two appliances in this gym. They have the same load. It's 35 kilogram and it's on one roller and the second roller, and at the end it's divided by two again. Here also have 35 kilogram, but it's divided only one time until get your hand here. When you pull the roll in the first appliance, you feel it's lighter. It's because it's divided by two times. One time in the roller and the next time in the rope itself. It's divided by two hands. So one hand have a 8.75 kilogram. But the second appliance, it's directly divided one time, so one hand have a 17.5 kilogram by one hand. So look at the feature of my face.
You were with Hussam Abu Naja. He's a civil engineer, so I encourage you to visit our courses on Udemy. It will be useful for civil engineer, so you will be the judge of that. So see you in next video. Thank you for watching.